CWB's Level 1 Inspector Certification is your entry into a growing field that demands precision, knowledge, and credibility. Step 1. Check the requirements. You'll need to meet the minimum eligibility requirements. These vary depending on your background, but don't worry, we'll guide you through them when you apply. Step 2. Complete your training. You have 4 flexible options for taking the Level 1 Visual Welding Inspector training: our traditional in-class course, a self-paced online course, a hybrid course combining online study and in-class learning, or our flexible online micro-credential option. In all formats, you'll need to score at least 70% on all chapter and final exams. Step 3. Apply for certification. Once you've completed your training, submit your course completion certificate, final grades, and a complete application and visual form to the CWB Personnel Certification Team. Here's the good news. If you pass the training, you're eligible for an exemption from the closed book exam. That means fewer steps to certification. Step 4. Write your exams. Next, you'll complete a code endorsement exam and a practical exam. These can be done in person or through remote proctoring, whichever suits you best. Step 5. Get certified. Once you pass the exams, you'll earn your official CWB Level 1 Inspector Certification, a nationally recognized credential that sets you apart. Certified inspectors enjoy stronger career opportunities, higher earning potential, and recognition across the welding industry. Ready to start? Enroll today.